The Library of Congress has a large amount of grouped primary sources available for free on their digital collections site, the homepage of which is seen here. There are a couple different ways you can search for collections on the site. The most obvious is the search bar at the top. Just be aware that the search bar will only look at the collection itself and not the items within it. So you should be careful to only use the search bar if you have a general idea of the topic of the collection that you're looking for, such as New York. Here we have 100 results for New York. If you want to narrow your results, you can refine them by subject here on the left-hand side, such as world cultures and history. So we have 13 results, and you can start to look through and see which ones look interesting. If you see something in this brief description that interests you, but you want to know a little more, you just click on the name of the collection, and it'll take you to the About This Collection page. So you can see that this Bain collection contains photographs with a special emphasis on life in New York. If you decide that you want to explore the items in the collection, you just go to the Collection Items tab, and you can look through all of the items in the collection. The other way to search for a collection is just to start by refining by subject right away. For example, you could refine by local history and folk life and just look at what is presented and find something that interests you. If from this brief description you decide you want to look at the items within the collection, you don't have to go through the About the Collection page. You just click on this View X number of items link that's at the bottom of each of these descriptions, and it'll take you right there. As you can see, unlike the last collection, this collection is full of manuscripts. So the collections vary in content and topic. The last way to look for items within digital collections is to refine by the format of the items in the collections. For example, you could search just for maps. There are actually 2 really good collections of maps on the Library of Congress's digital collections site that are good for looking at old maps of neighborhoods. There's this Cities and Towns collection, and then there is also the Sanborn Maps collection. So if you click within here, you can start to see that what this collection is all about, and you can also have the option to search within this collection. So if you want to search for Queens, you can see maps within this collection of the whole of Queens, the borough, Queens County. Even scrolling down, you get different neighborhoods within Queens. So that is a basic introduction to digital collections at the Library of Congress.